Welcome to GATE 2021 model courses on control systems. Today's our topic is stability analysis. Let us see the question number 6. They're going to overload transfer function of unity feedback system. And you have to find the range of K for which there will be only two closed loop right half plane poles. These are the options given. No value of K exists, K greater than 2, less than 12, K greater than 12. Okay, let us go for the solution. Or before going to the Raud-Hurwitz criterion, first, is there any value of K possibility is there to have two roots in the light of the S-plane that we can check easily from the root locus diagram. Let us draw the root locus diagram. What are the open loop poles are? Plus or minus J1 and minus 4 and plus 1. 1, 0 is there, which is located at minus 2. At K is equal to 0, all the four closed loop poles are open loop poles. Infinite gain, 1 is minus 2, open loop 0. Remaining 3 will be located infinity at an angle of 60, 180, 300. That is only asymptotic angles. Now, where the root locus lies on the real axis? Between 1 to minus 2 and minus 4 to minus infinity. Then what is the angle of departure of this real poles is 180 and 180. For which branch will be terminated to infinity with 180 degrees is obviously the closed loop pole, which is at minus 4 for K equal to 0. That branch only terminates with an angle of 180 degrees. This is one root locus branch. Another root locus branch will be between 1 to minus 2. Remaining two branches will break here and terminates with an angle of 60 and 300 degrees. Now, definitely, if you see here, for one particular gain, the route which is going like this will cut here. For one particular gain, let it be Kc. Until K less than Kc, you can clearly see that there will be 1, 2, 3. This third root. All three roots will be in LHP until K less than Kc. K equal to Kc, two roots RHP, one root at origin it will be there, which is a margin stable. Only two roots to lie in the RHP. What is the gain you can operate is K greater than Kc. Definitely two roots lies in the RHP. Therefore, what is that Kc value? Easily we can find it from the Raud-Hurwitz criterion method only. Okay, but definitely the option A cannot be our answer. No value of K exists. K can be definitely either greater than 2 or greater than 12. That just find the Catch equation. We can have your answer. What is the Catch equation is? S square plus 1 into S plus 4, S minus 1 plus K into S plus 2 equal to 0. S square plus 1 into S square plus 3S minus 4 plus Ks plus 2K is equals to 0. When you simplify this one, S power 4, 3x cube minus 4s square plus s square plus 3s minus 4 plus ks plus 2k equal to 0. If you still simplify this one, we'll get this one, 3x cube minus 4s square plus 3s square is minus 3s square plus 3 plus k into s plus 2k minus 4. If you see this fourth order Catch equation, definitely when you're drawing a root locus for one particular gain known as Kc, which I mentioned here, one root will be at origin, remaining two roots in RHP, like that you got it. One root if you locate at origin in the fourth order Catch equation means compulsory S power 0 coefficient should be 0. This coefficient, if it is 0, definitely one root lies at origin, because for 2k minus 4 is equal to 0 or k is equals to 2. Definitely S power 0 coefficient will be 0 and the Catch equation will become for k equal to 2 as S power 4 plus 3x cube minus 3s square and 3 plus 2 will be 5s is equal to 0. Definitely if you take s common, the cat's equation will become like this. Definitely one root will be at origin. Remaining two roots, where they locate is obviously RHP, that you can check with the Routh-Hurwitz criterion also. One root at origin and two roots will be in right half of the S-plane, but k equal to 2 directly. You can know it kc value as 2. K greater than 2 onwards, two roots RHP. Remaining two roots will be in the left half of the S-plane also, you can tell it. Or from the table also, by making normally the table also, we can get the same answer. Let us make the Routh array table. What are the first two rows are 1, minus 3, 2k minus 4, next 3, 3 plus k and 0. What is the next row is 3 into 3 is minus 9, minus 3 minus k, that will be minus 12 minus k divided by 3. Next will be 3 into 2k minus 4 divided by 3 will be 2k minus 4 and 0. What is the next row is this element into 3 plus k, again divided by the same element, will give 3 plus k minus 2k minus 4 into 3 divided by minus 12 minus k divided by 3. That means into 3 divided by minus of 12 plus k. Next 0, 0, last row will be 2k minus 4. Definitely for k greater than 2, that is 2k minus 4 greater than 0 or k greater than 2, this will be positive. This 1 and 3 already positive, plus, and k greater than 2, this is already negative, minus of 12 plus k. K any value positive, this will be always negative for us. And this minus will become plus only for k greater than 2, this is positive, this is also positive, and this is also plus sign only. How many sign changes you'll have it is, definitely 2 sign changes you'll have in the first column, and for k greater than 2 onwards, definitely 2 roots will lie in the right half of the S-plane. Hence, your correct option is, if you check it out, B only your correct option. K greater than 2 onwards, 2 roots lies in the RHP. If you see this root locus, what is this kc value? One root will come to the origin is 2 only. From k greater than 2 onwards, this root and this root will be in LHP. These remaining 2 roots which are going with 60 and 300 degrees, they lie in the right half of this plane. Therefore, first you check with the root laws diagram, is there any value of k exists for us to locate 2 roots in the RHP? By drawing the root locus, you can easily check it out, that one. But from root locus, if you don't get that 2 roots will be the RHP for any k greater than any value, means that no value of k exists on your answer. But definitely from the root locus plot, you can know that the 2 roots can lie in the RHP for k greater than kc inverse. What is that kc value? Easily you can know from the Routh array table only. Okay. Thank you. Any doubts? Please don't forget to post in the comments box. Thank you very much.